You must have seen a situation where a company reaches a new level but continues to use old planning and financial reporting tools. This can lead to many mistakes, limitations, and inability to meet the needs of a growing business. Moreover, data collection and validation take longer than financial analysis itself. Bookkeeping or ERP systems can perfectly handle the job of processing transactions. Spreadsheets are there to deal with rapid manual analytics. However, modern performance management systems are needed for financial modeling and control of the main enterprise performance indicators. Intoplex, an IBM business partner, develops and deploys enterprise performance management solutions that are available to major as well as small and medium entities. Our leading experts will create for you a single financial or production system that would unite legal entities and business units. Reports and analytics will be collected automatically, thereby eliminating the need for manual operations. In addition, data elaboration and visualization will improve the quality and speed of management decisions. It will help you uncover insights and tear away from your competitors. Order a free demo solution that can be based on your data and directories. Intoplex, Integrated Applications Experience.